On September 10th, 2023, officers are on a routine traffic stop after spotting a vehicle with only one working brake light and a tag that expired back in 2020. A computer check comes back clean enough to explain the equipment violations, but not what it turns up next. As the officer approaches the window, he has no idea this stop is about to turn into an arrest, a search, and a fight to stay out of handcuffs. This is what happened.
Can you just close the door for me? Can you roll this window down, please?
Officer.
My name is Officer Musson with the Port Orange Police Department. The reason for the stop, a couple things, okay? The registration showing expired as in 2020. The stop bar violation all the way down there. You stopped in front of the stop bar at Nova and Dumb Mountain when you were attempting to turn right. And when I ran your tag, it shows that, are you the registered owner of the vehicle?
I am.
It shows that your license is suspended about 5 times, all right? You got your driver's license on, your registration, proof of insurance?
Can I please tell you something? Please, I am begging you. I went to jail for the first time over this. I just got a job at the Hard Rock Cafe. All I was doing is going to Walmart.
You got your driver's license registered, ma'am?
Court. Please don't take me to jail. Please, God, don't take me to jail. I was just going to go to Walmart.
You have your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance on you?
Please, please, please. I have a public defender, Wernoski, and I've been to the courthouse twice, and he's working with the Palm Beach.
Okay, ma'am.
Please, God, please don't take me to jail.
Ma'am, you showing this emotion knowing that you shouldn't be driving and you're still doing it, that's an issue, okay? Do you have your driver's license on you,
I
please?
have 5 dogs. I have to go get dog food.
You are the registered owner?
Yeah.
Okay. No.
And
ma'am, just give me a minute. Let me figure out what I'm going to do, okay?
Can I just tell you, look, I've been to court. You can look, I've showed up at my court dates, and the public defender is working with the Palm Beach County. That's where my tickets were for driving was suspended. And he's working with them to get those dropped so that I could just pay the fees here.
You're still not supposed to be driving, no. You're still not, so just give me a minute. You still live at this address?
I do.
Okay. So I'm just going to be upfront with you, alright?
I promise I'll go.
You're going to be going to jail, alright?
Please don't.
So, listen, ma'am.
Please don't do that to me. Please. Officer, please don't do it to me.
I'm not going to ask you again.
I've got 5 dogs at home, please. I've got 5 dogs at home. Please don't do this to me. I've got 5 dogs that haven't even been outside. I don't have my phone with me, officer. Please, I'll go right home. You can take my car and I'll walk home. Please, please. Please, I have nobody to help me. I've got 5 dogs at home. Please. Why are you doing this to me? I've got 5 dogs. All I was doing is go get.
Turn the car off. I'm not going to ask you again. Turn the car off. We're going to wait for someone else to come here. Do you have anyone's phone numbers that you know? Do you have any family?
No, I don't.
Listen to me.
I was going to court. I'll walk home. Please, God, please don't do this to me.
Listen.
Please.
Listen.
Please.
It's going to be only the one charge for driving on a suspended license. It's going to be a $500 bond, which is only $100. You can bond out today.
My sister already bonded me out, and the bond company.
Where does your sister live?
St. Augustine, but Liz and the bond company made her pay They made her pay $750. She's not gonna bond me out again, and it was so scary there. Oh my God! Oh God, please, please help me, please. I'll walk home. Please help me, please. I'll walk home. Anything. I'll leave my car, or you can show it.
Unfortunately, no.
But why? Why are you doing this to me?
Don't blame me for your decisions, man. That's not fair to me.
Oh my God! I could just walk home. I was just going to get. I've got 5 dogs. I have no one to take them out.
I have dogs as well.
And they're seniors, and they take medicine. And they haven't even been out this morning because I was going to get dog food because they have to have the special.
If you let me talk.
Oh God, I am so ready.
You can call your sister.
Oh God.
Okay.
Oh God, she's not gonna buy me out again.
At least you can watch the dogs then.
She lives in St. Augustine. She's not gonna come to my house.
45, 50 minutes away. I'm sure she'll come over to let the dogs out.
She won't. Oh God, please don't do this to me, please, officer. I've never hurt anybody in my whole life. Please don't do this to me. Please, I'll walk home. Anything you want.
This officer's gonna talk to you for a minute. Just stand by, alright?
Please help me, please.
Got a bunch of suspensions. I just want to see your CH. Got type of team.
My name is Catherine Bell. All this is because of a speeding ticket I didn't pay in Palm Beach County. I've gone to court twice on it.
Okay.
And I've got a public defender, Warnowski.
Please step out of the vehicle for me.
Please don't take me to jail. Please let me walk home. Please, God. Please don't make me go to jail. Please.
Step out.
I want to have to grab you.
Why are you guys doing this? Why are you being so mean?
This isn't an option anymore. Step out of the vehicle.
Oh my God.
Nope. Step out of the vehicle.
Stop. Step out of the vehicle. Do it now.
Oh my God, I can't believe you guys
Step
are
out of
Stop
the vehicle
reaching in
and do
your
it
It's
now.
my purse.
No, I don't care.
Damn it.
Do not grab me. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh,
Now you just got another charge.
great. Because you know you don't have to arrest me. All the crime in this town, and you're going to arrest me? For I didn't pay a speeding ticket, and you couldn't just let me walk home? Are you serious?
Come here.
All the niggas commit crime in the city, and you arrest someone that's trying to do right in their life, that's gone to court for not paying a speeding ticket, and my license is suspended, and this is the shit I get. I've got
Spread
5
your
dogs
feet.
at home.
Spread your feet.
I have
Spread your
no
feet.
food.
Spread your
You
feet.
haven't? No, I don't. I don't do drugs.
Do you have anything on your
No.
side? Poker stick me.
No.
You can use the back of my hand, alright?
I don't care what you do.
You have anything in your pockets at all?
You have no compassion at all. I was a social worker. You know you could have just taken my car and let me walk home.
No.
I've got 5 dogs at
You also
home.
have 5 suspensions.
No, we don't have 5 suspensions. I'm going to court for that, and I know it's not from a DUI or ever hurting anybody. It's from not paying a speeding ticket.
Step in the vehicle. So put the seatbelt on you, alright? So I'm going to preach it.
I've got 5 dogs, you guys. Please let someone go take care of them. They're seniors. Please.
I already told you, I'll call your sister and have her come. Take care of them. If you have her number, I'll give her a call.
Catherine Bell was ultimately charged with driving while license suspended with knowledge, resisting an officer without violence. The stop that began with an expired tag and a broken brake light ended in a set of handcuffs, an open container in the console, and a woman who says she was only headed to Walmart. Thanks again for watching.